Self-Care Sundays. It's me, Lesli-Ann Belnavis, Elliott, registered art therapist with Art Therapy Jamaica. So thank you for tuning in again. If this is your first time, you're joining us with the theme where we're focusing on the theme for Child's Month for me, which is Unplug Negativity, Connect Positivity, Think. Last 2 weeks we looked at identifying negative things within our lives or negative emotions and looking at how those emotions affect our body and our responses. And these are things that are important to understanding self-care and understanding how do we look at what's happening with us, what we can control or how it is affecting us, what can we control and what can we change if possible. If we can't change it, where can we get support and what would that support look like? So today we're looking at, you've now identified the emotions and how they've affected you. One of the ways that we all could, and this, although we're focusing on children, again, this impacts adults as well and families and so forth. You could make a list, and this is a term in therapy and psychology. It's helping you to reframe, to look at it differently. So if you're unplugging, you need to take a step back and then you're going to tune into positivity. But for you to tune into positivity, you'd have to see what the positive steps look like. So in saying all of that, you can make a list. You've now identified the emotions, and the emotions will make a list of 5 things that make you sad. And once you've made your list of 5 things that make you sad, think of 5 things that could help you with the feelings of sadness that you have. You could write it out, you could use words, you could draw it. And then you compare and look at what is it that makes you sad, what could help you, also what are you in control of. And if it is that you're struggling to see support, then you may need to get support with a therapist, a counselor, somebody in your family or a friend, or even a pastor. But we're focusing really on art and using art as a support right now, especially in children during this time. And as I said, parents, friends, adults, you can do these activities just for yourself. So it's looking at identifying a list of the things that make, or situations that make you feel sad, angry, scared, confused with everything that's happening, and then think of what could help you, 5 things that could help you. And if you're having difficulty identifying the things that can help you, then you may need some additional support in those areas. So thank you again for joining me on Self-Care Sundays. I mixed up the days, sorry. Hey, guess what? It doesn't have to stay on Sundays. It can be Self-Care Saturday, Self-Care Sunday. Join me next week, and I encourage you to be creative during this time. Take some time out for you. Engage in self-care in any which way you can. Bye-bye.